Hi guys, let's create this dream effect together. First step is to select your clip and navigate to the Fusion page. Over here we need to add a merge node. For now, place it in the middle so we can have more space to work. On the empty space, press and hold Shift and space, type Prism Blur. Choose this one and add. We need to connect it like this and toggle the left one so we can see our effect here. Next thing that we need to do is adjust the strength. Something like this, and now the distance and this one as well. Now let's add after this node one more glow, and let's change something like threshold. Now go to gain, right click, modify width, and choose the last one, shake. Go to modifiers and adjust the smoothness. I will lower it almost all the way down. Now connect the glow to the merge. This is too strong, so go a little bit up, and the spread as well, we need to lower it for now. Let's select the merge, edges, change to mirror, and apply mode, change to screen. Here right click and press modify with shake. Now go to modifiers and adjust the smoothness. I will put all the way maximum here on smoothness, and for this minimum I will put 0.40 or 50, something like this, it's enough. And for this maximum I will lower it half. Now we need to select again the merge node and add one more prism blur. Add it here next to our previous node. Now let's play with some settings. After we finish with all these settings, make sure that our node is selected and navigate here to the eclipse. Just simply add it, and let's change the shape a little bit. Let's invert and change the edges so it will coming out of the eclipse. And now let's preview our effect. Let's go at the beginning of our clip like this, full screen. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.